lovely viewers and my lovely subscriber. And if you are new here, welcome also, guys. So guys, today I'm gonna make some fried rice. I have some rice from last night that I did cook, and I went and I get some chicken breasts. I have some vegetable over here, and I'm gonna put a piece of broccoli. I have my eggs over here. I have my sesame oil over here, and my stir fry oil, a little soya sauce, and I have my onion, garlic, and a little piece of ginger over here. So guys, I'm gonna cut my chicken breast. I'm gonna pre-cook it before I add everything together. So I'm gonna open up my pack, and I'm gonna slice them. I'm gonna cut them in cubes, guys. And guys, you can leave a comment and tell me how you make your how you make your fried rice. I'm gonna make another one after, not with shrimp, for the seafood people. Because maybe you guys are saying I'm not cooking anything for the seafood people. So I'm gonna make some another day, not today. So I'm gonna wash it with my vinegar after, and I'm gonna season it. And I'm gonna pre-cook it. So okay guys, as I was saying, you can cut your chicken breast in 3 pieces. Like this one, you cut it in 3 slices. So this one is small, so maybe I'm just gonna cut this in 2, and then I just cube it. And I'm bigging up my watchers or subscribers from Georgia. I'm in America. Big you up, guys, and keep watching, guys. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe, and so that my videos can go out to more people. So big up Georgia people. They're in the house. Keep watching, guys, and thank you very much for watching. Yeah, this is the last piece, guys. Then I'm gonna wash and season. Okay guys, so now I'm finished. I'm gonna clean my cutting board and then wash my chicken, guys, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, I finished washing my chicken and I suck out some of the water out of it, so it's kind of dryish. So I'm gonna put on a little seasoning on it. I'm gonna a little dash of this is dash, not much. All-purpose seasoning from Maggi, just a little dash, a little black pepper from Costco, a little flavor rice from Costco also, just a little dash. Don't want much. And a little garlic plus, also from Costco. Okay guys, I'm gonna rub these together, put it aside. I'm gonna rub in all my love into it and put it aside until I gather the rest of the ingredients for my fried rice. So okay guys, I'm gonna set this aside and then so stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna add a little season. I forget this one. I'm gonna add a little dash of season to the bone. Not much, just a little dash. I'm just gonna use a fork and stir it up, okay? I can use my spatula. I'm just gonna use my spatula to just throw in my gloves. So I'm gonna cover this and set it aside. I'll be right back. Stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, I'm cutting my onions. So I'm cutting a whole onion. Okay, I'm finished with my onion guys. I'm gonna put it in this little container. So now I'm gonna cut my garlic. I use 3 cloves of garlic guys. Finish cutting my 3 clove of garlic. Set that aside. I'm gonna cut my little piece of ginger. Just a couple pieces, not much. gonna start getting my chicken in the frying pan. I'm gonna pre-cook my chicken. I have it over here. Oh, my scallion. I didn't put up my green onion. Let me do my scallion right away. I do all my mise en place before I start cooking. Everything, I think I have everything ready now. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this aside. I will use some for my decoration and I will use the other rest inside. Okay guys, so that is that. Okay, so I'm finished cutting up, so I'm gonna put my stove on with my frying pan. So as soon as it heats up guys, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, my oil is hot. I'm gonna pre-cook my chicken breast. So guys, you know that chicken breast is not hard to cook, so just keep stirring them. Okay guys, I'm getting my egg ready also. Meanwhile my chicken is cooking. So guys, I'm gonna take out my eye. If it's a shower. Look for the eye and take it out. I'm using 3 eggs, guys. Take out eye number 2. Do eye number 3 now. Okay guys, so my 3 eyes are out. I'm gonna drop a little cayenne pepper in the egg. Set this aside. And this cook about 8 minutes, guys, more or less. The smaller you cut them is the less time. So I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna do my eggs and my vegetable. Okay guys, I add a little piece of butter in my oil, so I'm going to add my egg. And I'm going to let the bottom sit before I remove the egg, okay guys? And this is the way I'm going to move it before I break it. Turn off the stove. You don't have to cook it all the way through. The rest of heat will cook the rest. So this I'm gonna set aside now, guys, and I'm gonna fry up my onion and garlic. So this is finished, guys. My 3 eggs is finished scrambling. So now I'm gonna go back to my frying pan. Here I'm gonna turn back on the stove here, add my onions. I'm gonna add my onions. So I'm going to let it heat up a little bit before I add in my garlic to it. I'm going to add a little coconut oil inside too.
You give GST Connor? You have
Guys, I'm adding my ginger and my little piece of garlic. My 3 cloves of garlic and a little piece of ginger. I'm gonna stir it up again. Then I'm gonna add my vegetable. Let it cook for a little bit. I think I'm going to add some more vegetable. Listen, I'm going to fry up a little bit more. And I'm gonna add a spoonful of coconut oil to it to give it some nice flavor, guys. Just a teaspoon, okay? A teaspoon of coconut oil just to give it some good flavor. Fried rice is coming on, guys. I'm gonna get my rice from the fridge. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add my chicken first. Water in the bottom. I can't add the water to it. I don't want my rice to be saggy, so I'm gonna add the chicken. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And then I'm gonna add my rice. I'm gonna add my egg at the last. I'm gonna add my rice. Make sure there's no lumps. And this is some brown rice, guys, I cooked from last night. And guys, if you have leftovers rice, you can use it. You don't have to cook special rice. You can just have leftovers in the fridge. You just use it. So I cooked some rice last night to eat, and I said, okay, I'm just gonna cook. Instead of cooking 2 cups, I cook 3 cups and leave the rest. So now I'm gonna add my egg, guys. This is my 3 eggs. And I'm gonna add some flavorized seasoning to it. Maybe a teaspoon, just to get it going. It's nice. You can add whatsoever seasoning you like. So I'm just gonna add the flavor rice. I'm gonna let it fry up for a little bit, and I'm gonna put it in a plate and let you guys see the finished product. Okay guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. The sesame seed oil, about a tablespoon sesame seed oil, and I'm gonna add a little bit of stir fry oil too. This is with garlic and ginger. Just a little skip. And I'm gonna add a little soy sauce. This one is with mushroom. Just a little dash. Just a little dash. I'm gonna stir it up now, guys. Ooh, I can smell the sesame seed oil already. Wow, smells so nice. Ooh, smells so good. This is better than takeout, guys. So you try this recipe, guys. It smells so good. Woo. And CJ Kitchen, guys. CJ Kitchen, I'm sending you your own plate today, guys. I'm gonna send it to you through the mail.
CJ's Cooking.
CJ's Cooking from another land. I'm gonna send you your plate. Special plate for you, my girl. Special plate for you, my girl. And big you up all the time. I can see where you comment all the time. Always looking forward for your comments. So then my stir fry is almost finished. I'm going to share it out and give it another minute, and then I take it off. I'm going to put a little bit of cayenne pepper again on it. Cayenne pepper is good for you guys. Good for circulation. Blood circulation. Okay guys? I put cayenne pepper in almost everything. Even when I'm making certain my green smoothies sometimes, I put my cayenne pepper inside. So this is good for circulation. So okay guys, I'm going to turn off my stove. And guys, it smells so good here. It smells so good. With that sesame seed oil, it smells so good. So okay guys, I'm going to dish it out in a plate and let you see the finished product. Okay guys, so stay tuned, keep watching, and guys, remember to subscribe please. If you don't subscribe, and subscribe is free, please subscribe please, so that my video can go out to more people. Thank you. So guys, this is my finished product of my fried rice and chicken breast. I use chicken breast, so fried rice and chicken breast. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from. Big up where they say they're watching from again? Georgia. Big up the crew from Georgia. Big you up guys. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Thank you. Ciao. Bye bye.